How old are you? How old are you? 5? Or
5 years old.
okay, 5 years old. Flower, what color is this?
Red.
Good job. What color is this?
Black.
Black. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. Good job. Give me a high flower. High five. Okay, flower. Do you like apples?
Yes.
Yes. What's the color of the apple? What's the color of the apple? It's what color is the apple?
Red.
Yes, good job. What's the color of grapes?
Purple.
Purple. What's the color of banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. What's the color of the mangoes?
Yellow.
Wow, great job. Okay, now, flower, tell me what animal do you like? I like rabbit. This one? What color is the rabbit? What color is it? Pink rabbit. I like white rabbit. Teacher D, I like white rabbit. What food do you like?
Carrot.
Carrots? Wow, fantastic. Do you like, let me think. Do you like chickens? Chicken. Do you like chicken? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like pizza? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. You're so smart. Are you ready for the test? Yes, teacher? Yes, yes, teacher. Okay, now, make sure to speak loudly. Show me your little finger. Where is your little finger? Okay. What is it?
Book.
Say the word. It's a book.
Is a book.
Next.
Is a tree.
Good. Next.
Is a monkey.
Good.
Is
Sand.
castle.
Sandcastle. Next.
Is flower.
It's a. Again.
A flower. Is a
A.
prayer.
Good. Next. It's a sea
So in a
slide. Say it again. It's a.
is a slide.
Yes. Next. Okay, now, what color is it?
Is green.
It's green. Next.
Red.
It's
Is brown.
red. Very good.
Is a pink.
Very nice. Good. Now, let's move on. What number is this? Oops.
1,
1. Next.
2,
Next.
3,
Next.
4,
Okay, what's this?
2,
What's this?
4, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4,
Say the word 4.
4.
Yes. Next here. Flower, where is stop? Stop.
Up.
Good job. Next. Which one is stand up? Stand up. Say the word. What's this? What's this? Stand.
Stand up.
Good. Next. Which one is turn around? What is this?
It's around.
Next. Which one is play in the sandbox?
Play is sandbox.
Good. Next. What about slide down the slide?
Is slide.
Good. All right. Last one. Which one is swing on the swings?
Swing on the slide.
Okay. Are you happy? Happy, Flower? Yes, I'm happy. Say goodbye, teacher. Oops, oops. Goodbye, teacher.